JEE Advanced 2021, Paper 1, Question 5. Physics Projectile Motion. Let us visualize the setup. A projectile is thrown from point O on the ground at 45 degrees from the vertical, which means 45 degrees from the horizontal, with speed 5√2 meters per second. At the highest point, the velocity is purely horizontal at 5 meters per second. Here the projectile splits into two equal parts. Part 1 falls vertically down to the ground, 0.5 seconds after splitting. Part 2 flies forward with higher horizontal velocity and lands at distance x meters from O. Question 5 asks, the other part, time t seconds after splitting, falls to the ground at distance x meters from O. The acceleration due to gravity g is 10 meters per second squared. Find the value of time t. The key concept here is free fall from the highest point. At the apex, the vertical component of velocity is 0. The splitting is an internal event, there is no external vertical impulse. So both parts start with 0 vertical velocity. Both parts fall from the same height h equals 1.25 meters under gravity alone. This means both parts take the same time t to reach the ground vertically. Step 1. Resolve the initial velocity. The launch angle is 45 degrees from the horizontal, so the horizontal component velocity Vx equals 5√2 times sine 45, which is 5 meters per second. The vertical component velocity Vy equals 5√2 times cosine 45, also 5 meters per second. Step 2. Find the time to reach the highest point and the maximum height. Time to apex, time t up equals velocity Vy over g, that is 5 over 10, giving 0.5 seconds. Maximum height h equals Vy squared over 2g, that is 25 over 20, giving 1.25 meters. Step 3. Apply conservation of momentum at the splitting point. At the highest point, the total horizontal momentum is 2 meters times 5. Part 1 falls vertically, so its horizontal velocity is 0. By conservation, 2 meters times 5 equals m times 0 plus m times v2x. Solving, velocity v2x equals 10 meters per second. Part 2 moves horizontally at 10 meters per second. Step 4. Now we find time t for part 2. Both parts fall from the same height h with 0 initial vertical velocity. Using the equation h equals half g time t squared, we substitute 1.25 equals half times 10 times time t squared. Solving, time t squared equals 0.25. Therefore, time t equals root of 0.25, which is 0.50 seconds. Notice this is exactly the same as part 1's fall time of 0.5 seconds. This confirms our answer, both parts hit the ground at the same time because they fall from the same height with 0 vertical velocity. The answer is time t equals 0.50 seconds. Both parts take exactly the same time to reach the ground because they both start from the same height with 0 vertical velocity. Exam tips for JEE Advanced. Tip 1. At the highest point of any projectile, the vertical velocity is always 0. Tip 2. Splitting or explosion is an internal event. Conserve momentum, but kinetic energy is not conserved. Tip 3. Vertical and horizontal motions are independent. Freefall time depends only on the height and initial vertical velocity, not on horizontal speed. Remember the key formula, time t equals root of 2h over g. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced 2021 solutions at MAGPIEHUB.